What's up guys, Matt over at Easy Auto Spa, and today we've got another motorcycle in, but it's not the whole bike. This is a motorcycle fender off of a Harley Davidson. They came in for some dent repair. Reece is gonna be working on this, but Reece, before you even started working, you had to build all this contraption and set this up. What's going on here? What are we doing here?
Well, like with any dent, the panel or fender in this case needs to be as stable as possible to be able to work on it. So a car's okay, cars are heavy, you can work on stuff on the car. Motorcycles are light, they'll rock back and forth really easily. So we gotta take that off and mount it on something. In this case, this is built to hold motorcycle tanks or fenders. And what I had to do is mount it to the floor here through the joists because otherwise we'd have to drill holes in the concrete and it would be more permanent that way. And this is super stable. This doesn't move almost at all. We've also stabilized it with this here, which is really crucial because the front kind of cantilevers out. So with the fender mounted, it's ready to push.
So again, just like a dent on a car, controlling the elements is really, really important. So, you know, we don't want to fix this fender outside because it's too bright. We got to control the light. We want to be able to control the temperature. We can use a heat gun for that. We also want to control your access and your leverage and your tool not slipping. So keeping this thing from rocking is why we want to set it up on a vise. So if you've got a motorcycle, whether it's a fender or a tank or any other part that is metal that needs a dent repaired and you'd like PDR to be done, feel free to reach out to us. We have tanks and fenders shipped to us from literally all over the country. We can fix it, get it back to you, ship it back, and it keeps all that original paint, or it keeps, even better, that custom paint you may have on your tank. So hit us up, reach out to us. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Reece, let's knock this sucker out.
All right, let's do it.